All right, introducing our new model 517. This is meant to be a drop-in direct replacement from our old 515. So the big changes we did to this was cost reduction, new design for looks, output, and weight reduction as well. One of the big things you'll notice about this one compared to the 515 is the housing is now polycarbonate as opposed to die cast. We used die cast in the past to get the same performance. Now with better technology, new LEDs, we can achieve that same performance with a lighter, more cost-effective housing. The mount has stayed the same, so it is a direct replacement to the old 515 and also halogen replacements on lift trucks. For functionality, you're going to have a ECE low beam symmetrical pattern and a front position and direction indicator. What we did on this new model is reciprocally incorporate the DI in front position. Just gives it a cleaner look, and one optic, also cost reduction there as well. This is a 1224 volt only, uses the same 4-pin Deutsch connector that the previous model used. It is IP67 rated, vented, and like I said, a direct replacement.
Yep, and it mounts directly on the same spot that the old 515 did, as well as the halogen version. So pretty unique application, replacing the halogens in our old 515. The only additional thing you could potentially use this for, in some cases in Europe, they've got some smaller articulated style tractors that are used where you do need a low beam in a front position. You could actually mount this thing just by doing a bracket that went through this through hole that's here, and remove this, which is what allows it to basically mount on the exact same place as the hell is. So just another application for a combined lamp. And again, with the functions that are in it, in the past it would have been so heavy you'd need a huge bracket to get that on there, but the way it's done now, it's a lot lighter and it could be easily mounted with another mount other than just the standard one that comes with it.